You can never make a bad design look good after printed. Never. If one thing is true for direct-to-garment printing, then it will be this statement. It doesn't matter if your printer output is excellent, or your processes are optimized, or if you are able to wash your products for 1,000,000 times before the colors start to fade. If the quality of the design you want to print is bad, the final result will look bad at all times. The print can never get better than the information it gets from the design files. In today's video, we are going to discuss two of the most common design problems we see over and over again. So, let's jump right in. Hi everyone, this is Everson with DTG Merch, where we talk about everything you need to know to run a successful t-shirt business. We normally post tutorials and other helpful content about topics like t-shirt design, print on demand, and direct-to-garment printing. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you ever wondered why we also focus heavily on t-shirt design on this channel, this is it. An awesome design that is well suited for direct-to-garment printing will get you an awesome printed result. A bad quality design file will get you, well, a bad quality print. This is law, like gravity. I know this is quite an extensive overview. In this video, our goal is to have a look at the mistakes and the problems. But to help you out, we are already planning on creating a short series with tutorials next month to show you how to set up design files. And yes, we also will talk about colors. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get notified as soon as these videos are up. Okay, let's go ahead and have a look at two mistakes we see quite often. Mistake number one, unwanted image elements. There is one important thing you always have to keep in mind. In direct-to-garment printing, the rule of what you see is what you get always applies. This means that every single pixel that contains some information and is not transparent will be printed. This characteristic of DTG printing has some far-reaching implications for the way printed graphics must be created. So, what does this mean for your prints? Let's have a look at a few examples. Let's imagine you have a blurry design. This can be caused by the wrong file size or wrong resolution, or just because the image quality is bad. It will result in a blurry print in the best case, and in the worst case, you will see some unwanted image elements on your prints. If there are image elements on your design, they will be printed. And in many cases, that's what you want, right? But there are times when you do not want that. It could be that you forgot to remove some lines from drawing, or that you added some printing information. It is important to deliver the files ready to print, which looks different from other printing methods like screen printing. If you choose the wrong file format, your transparencies may disappear and every transparent parts are filled with white, which will print with white ink. As you can imagine, the opportunities to create bad t-shirt designs are endless. Now, let's have a look at mistake number two, wrong colors. Color differences between the original design on the screen and the printed result are often a cause for unhappy customers. Color shifts are a very well-known problem in DTG printing. The colors you see on the screen are not what you will get on the printed result. Unfortunately, designers have no information about which colors they can print and how the colors will look after printed. There is no way to prove the outcome of direct-to-garment printing like you would do on paper printing. And here, another challenge to think about. Many printers, especially print-on-demand platforms, ask their customers to deliver their designs as PNG files to reduce complexity. PNGs are great because they are easy to handle and support transparencies. But on the other hand, they only support RGB. It is important to be aware that the printer will always convert the RGB files into the CMYK profile the printer uses for that specific product, which is smaller than the RGB gamut. But unfortunately, that does not mean that designing in CMYK would be the best option. In fact, the CMYK profile the printer uses does not match with the CMYK profile on the screen of your computer. In many cases, it will print much more colors than these generic CMYK profiles would allow. The amount of printable colors depend on many factors like the printer profiles, the garment and its color, the amount of ink used, the printing quality, the printing resolution, and so on. So, these are the two problems the designers have to deal with when working with DTG printing. As you can already guess, these are rather extensive topics. But, as promised, we are going to release some videos and a few tutorials about this in the next month. So, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if there's one thing we hope you will take away from this video is this. Always remember, the print can never be better than the design file. Did you like this video? Then you may also like the other videos linked on the cards. Thanks for watching, all the best and see you in the next video.